Now, in a life, everything have a upside and a downside. And because of how most people program, them afraid that anything name risk. Especially Jamaican people. And evidently, you can't avoid risk in any facet of life, especially in a finance. You know, the more you risk, is normally the more you make. Now, some people now go overstand that, and that's okay. Just stay tuned. I am Tariq A.R and I study finance so you don't have to, in the hopes that I can help you to become a student of wealth. Now, risk and reward are one of the facts of life. People normally think that the more you put at stake, if you win, is normally the more reward you get. Now, two conditions have to be met so that the risk we take can be worth the reward. Now, firstly, the risk has to be calculated. You can't take risk without adequate information or calculation. If Cristiano Ronaldo are going to take a free kick is a risk, bear in mind. Cristiano Ronaldo have an adequate amount of information about the art of football or soccer, as enough people may call it, and free kick taking, and also years of experience and training. And even with all that, him still can't fail, as we see enough time. When taking risk, you have to know how and what kind of risk you're taking, and possibly if you can calculate the chance of your success. Now, secondly, you have to be successful, you have to win. Simply put, the risk have to pay off or else it not go work. And in addition, most times the risk not go equal to the amount of reward we get. Everything in life is a risk, and the more calculated risk you take, the more rewards you will get in a life. Business, trading, investing, and even war, life in general is risky.